What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? Do watch a tutorial video and in this video I will be showing you guys how you guys can register for HSBC Bank's online banking account. Now with that said, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel everybody, and let's move on with the video now, shall we? So the first step, you want to search for HSBC UK login. After you search for it, click on versus register for digital banking over here. Once you click on it, it'll bring you to this website. Over here, scroll a bit down and click on versus register now, and it'll take you to its registering page. So once you're over here, this is gonna be a total 6 steps process. So scroll a bit down and agree to its terms and service first. After you do that, you want to fill up this form by choosing your credit card number or your Invest Direct account number, whichever you want, and enter the information according to that. Choose your date of birth over here like this, and then enter your telephone banking security number over here. Click on continue. After this, it's gonna ask you to create a login detail. Then it's gonna ask you to choose a security question. Then it's gonna ask you to select your secure key, and their account will be created. So that's how this works. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye.